Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button for you to get to learn Microsoft Excel from beginning to the end. Today, I would be teaching you addition formula. Let's get started. Here I have this table right here. With the heading, Sales Report for the month of June, 2019. Here I have 4 columns. Serial number, Sales Rep ID, Location, and total sales. So, let's add up the total sales. I have 2 methods for you. Method 1. Place your cursor at the next cell to the last number of total sales that is next to 80,000. Then, go to Editing under Home tab and click on Auto Sum. You will have your grand total automatically. Method 2. Right at where your cursor is for the total, type, equal to, sum open bracket, click where you want your summation to start from and drag down to where it should end, then close the bracket, and press Enter key. Bonus tip. You can add up by typing equal to and begin to click on the cells you want to add up one by one. Follow by plus sign per click. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, MS Excel Master, for more tutorials on Microsoft Excel and other data management applications. Bye for now.